That's the end of the game. It's finished off by Jofra Archer, who's bowled really well here today. He's bowled fast, he's been clever with his length, pace, and he's a real...
And he's cleaned it up, and that's five for Jofra Archer. He's been dreaming about that, I'm sure, for a long, long time, Archer.
And on this occasion, hard length. Again, at 142 clicks, that's gone through Purnell. Done for pace. And that's what it means to the young man. He's back in international cricket with a fiver.
Hit the straight jacket. That's picked up. And it's out. Catch is taken by Duckett. It's the end of a very fine knock.
Yes, 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 yes. Little thin scratch through to the wicket-keeper. So well done, Just Butler, for getting Archer into the attack. It's going to take some catching. That is a real skyer. Moeen Ali said it himself so well. That's a good catch. Those things that go straight up periscope-like against this twilight sky are not easy.
Gone. Rasif and the distance slices it out to backward point, and a fantastic catch taken